Well, a high alert has been sounded on the border and the army is making all preparations on a war footing to ensure minimum civilian casualties in case of a retaliatory strike by Pakistan. India Today's Ashraf Wani and Shuja ul Haq travelled to the line of control to bring you this ground report. Take a look.
संतरी सब ठीक? सब ठीक है साहब। आगे कोई भी हरकत होने पर मेरे को इन्फो किया जाएगा। ठीक है साहब।
The highest possible vigil on the Indo-Pak line of control. Jawans prepared for any eventuality. Ready to take on Pakistan at a moment's notice.
Situation on the line of control is tense. Basically, the army is aware that there could be any kind of revocation from the Pakistani side. That is why to respond that this kind of alertness has been put across the line of control. The 700-kilometer long line of control is in a same kind of scenario where army jawans are ready to face any challenge of enemy on the borders.
As security is beefed up along the line of control, Army has deployed extra personnel to secure key assets such as bridges, highways and hospitals in case of any escalation.
One of the crucial aspects when it comes to the communication and the road link are the bridges that have been made on many streams and rivers, and guarding these bridges is extremely crucial.
The level of army preparedness is unprecedented in recent times.
The forward posts, of course, have been completely beefed up with more manpower, and there is a special planning that has been done post the surgical strikes that India conducted through the LC, and despite our request, we have not been allowed to go forward from this place.
Even the Indian Air Force is at 100% preparedness levels. Jets ready to strike in a matter of 5 minutes. And the whole situation is being closely monitored in New Delhi, with every move of the Pakistani army under minute scrutiny. As a riled-up Pakistan establishment mulls its next move, India is fully prepared for any response from the not-so-sharifs across the border. With Shuja ul Haq and Ashraf Wani, Bureau Report, India Today.